Hello everyone, welcome to Ritu's online classes. Today we are going to do pollution. So let's start. What do you mean by pollution? Pollution is when something is added to the environment that is harmful or poisonous to the living things. Pollution is of four types. Types of pollution. Air pollution. We need air to live. If the air is clean, we will be healthy and fit. But if it is polluted, we will fall sick. Vehicles emit harmful gases from their exhaust when they burn petrol. Factories and industry release large amounts of harmful chemicals into the atmosphere. Fertilizers that are sprayed on crops are harmful. Dust that is found indoors is also very harmful. How we can prevent air pollution? By reduction of forest fires and smoking, avoid usage of crackers, no to plastic bags, recycle and reuse. Water pollution. We get fresh water from different water bodies like rivers, lakes and wells. Other water bodies like ocean and seas also known to be pollution free, as polluted water would be harmful to all the marine creatures. The industrial waste produces a large amount of waste which is sometimes untreated and drained into freshwater bodies and from there into the sea. The sewage and wastewater produced by every household is chemically treated and released into the sea. The plastic waste. Plastic and other garbage like aluminium, rubber, glass, etc. are also dumped into the oceans and seas in some countries. How to prevent water pollution? Be careful about what you throw down your sink or toilet. Don't throw litter into rivers, lakes, oceans. Help clean up any litter you see on beaches or in rivers and lakes. Make sure it is so safe to collect the litter and put it in a nearby dustbin. Conserve water by turning off the tap when running water is not necessary. Land pollution takes place when waste is not disposed in a correct manner. In today's life, as numbers of industries are growing, the forests are being destroyed for land and environment have been polluted with chemicals, causing diseases in both humans and animals. The big oil refineries, the industries that manufacture chemicals, herbicides, pesticides and fertilizers used in farming pollute the land by disposing their waste on open lands. The human actions like cutting down of trees, excessive use of fertilizers and chemicals, etc. have also polluted large areas of land and made them unfit for farming. How we can prevent land pollution? By reducing chemical fertilizers and pesticides, reforesting, solid waste treatment and recovering recycling material. Noise pollution. The sound is essential to our daily lives, but noise is not. Noise is generally used as an unwanted sound or sound which produces unpleasant effects and discomfort on the ears. The loud TV volumes, the street hawkers, the honking of vehicles' horns, the loudspeakers, the traffic sounds. It can cause headache, damage our ears. We cannot have peaceful sleep and we cannot study. It can be prevented by increasing green area, trees plantation around sources of noise such as factories, motorways, railways, airports. Building industry area, railway stations, airport away from towns, avoiding use of loudspeakers, avoiding excessive use of vehicle horns. We can reduce noise pollution in our community by awareness campaign for the people. So these are the four types of pollution: air, water, land and noise pollution. Hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.